we're going to buy another truck. Riley's coming with me. We bought the trailer yesterday. I'm famous here, so, you know, they roll out the red carpet for me. Look, they even set this out for me. My best friend ever.
I know.
Let's go. This is my right-hand guy, Riley. He's recording me.
Why are you doing like
Because
reality
I'm
show?
famous. You know.
Oh, that bitch hung up on me.
3.
Yeah. It was on Funniest Video in People magazine.
Fucking followers you have.
24.
What the hell?
People like animals.
Post me on your story or something.
Well, let's go.
Put me on. Be like, check this dude out.
What do I follow?
Let's
You don't
go.
even fucking follow me.
I didn't know your groundhog
So-
thing was a thing. Oh, look who it is.
What's up, gang? What's up going here? Yeah,